Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings and click on Sound section. Now you need to select Vibrate Focus over here and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with Never Vibrate. When you're ready, click on the back button, scroll down and choose Shortcut to prevent ringing. You can set up vibration over here by clicking on Vibrate. Then go back, choose Advanced and click on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibrations and Touch Vibrations to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!